In this video, we listed the 5 best welding machines on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DK Series Arc Welder. The Deco DKA200 welding machine is a versatile tool designed for welding tasks, offering a compact size with dimensions of 23/81/0, 9163 mm. With a rated duty cycle of 60% and an input voltage range of 220 V 240 V, this welding machine provides reliable performance for various welding projects. The pilot arc current of 60 A and arc current range of 2200 A cater to different welding needs, while the efficiency of 85% ensures energy savings during operation. Certified for quality and safety, this welding machine from mainland China is lightweight at 2.84 kilograms, making it portable and convenient for on-the-go welding tasks. With features like a wide current range, electrode diameter compatibility of 1.6, 4.0 mm, and a protection degree of IP21S, the Deco DKA200 welding machine is a reliable choice for both professional and DIY welding applications. Number 2. HITBOX 4-in-1 ACDC Tig Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBT 250P ACDC welding machine is equipped with advanced inverter technology, providing a strong, stable arc for welding tasks. With features like quick response when the stick and workpiece get short, adjustable dynamic characteristics for varying welding needs, and easy arc initiation, this machine offers versatility and control in welding applications. Capable of welding stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and other metals, it supports ACDC TIG ARC welding processes, ensuring quality results on various materials. The machine boasts a rated input voltage of AC 220 V plus 10%, 50/60 Hz, a rated input power of 5, 8 kVA, and a rated input current of 26.3 A, making it suitable for a range of welding projects. With a TIG output current range of 10200 A and MMA ARC output current range of 2120 A, this welding machine provides flexibility and precision in welding operations. Certified with CE, the HITBOX HBT 250P ACDC welding machine from mainland China is a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking a versatile and efficient welding tool. Number 3. Andeli 220F welding machine. The Andeli MCT520 DPL welding machine is a robust and efficient tool designed for welding materials with ease. With a weight of 21 kilograms and dimensions of 5.553/10385, this machine is portable yet powerful, making it suitable for various welding tasks. Featuring a wire feeding speed of 18 m/min, it ensures smooth and consistent welding performance. The machine operates at a no-load voltage of 62 V and a frequency of 50/60 Hz, providing stable and reliable welding output. With an efficiency rating of 85% and CE certification, the Andeli MCT520 DPL welding machine guarantees high-quality results and meets industry standards. Originating from mainland China, this welding machine is a dependable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Synergy Mig Welder. The HITBOX 120A Mig Welder offers a versatile 3-in-1 functionality for MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding processes, boasting a 40% higher work efficiency compared to traditional ARC welding machines. With power settings and adjustable wire feed speed, the welder provides excellent welding characteristics suitable for welding metal plates ranging from 0.8 mm to 4.0 mm. Safety features include overheat protection, VRD function, and a cool air radiator, ensuring a secure welding environment. Equipped with a 0.6/0, 8 mm threaded drive roller, the welder supports wire diameters of πh0, 8πh0, 9πh1, making it a versatile tool for various welding tasks. The machine is designed for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, and more, offering precise control and stable arc length during welding operations. With a compact size of 35x18 by 22 centimeters and a weight of 7.29 kilograms, this welding machine from Shenzhen Unit Weld Welding and Motor Company Limited is a reliable and efficient choice for welding professionals and enthusiasts. The package includes essential accessories like an earth clamp, electrode holder, Mig welding torch, and flux cord wire, providing everything needed for a seamless welding experience. Number 5. Andeli MCT520 DPL Welding Machine. The Andeli MCT520 DPL welding machine is a versatile 5-in-1 tool that combines MIG, TIG, MMA, and cut functions in one compact unit. With an output current of up to 200 A, it can handle welding tasks on materials up to 5/32 inch, 4.0 mm thick. The machine features a digital intelligent display and stepless adjustment knob for easy mode selection and parameter adjustment. Its cold welding mode reduces deformation and discoloration, producing silver-white welds on stainless steel. The plasma cutter MIG Welder combo offers the flexibility to switch between welding and cutting operations seamlessly. With a rated duty cycle of 60% and pulse frequency ranging from 0.1 to 100, this welding machine from Andeli is suitable for both professional welders and welding enthusiasts. The compact dimensions of 489 x 210 by 327 mm make it easy to transport and store, while the CE certification ensures quality and safety standards are met. Operating at 220 V with a frequency of 50/60 Hz, this welding machine is a reliable and powerful tool for various welding applications.